Okay, we've talked in the last few videos about what Matt Harvey has done wrong. Let's talk a little bit about what he can do right. If he lives on the outside part of the plate with his fastball, then this is what happens. This is full extension. Granted, this is a foul ball, but look at how long the barrel is in line with this general vicinity. That's just an accident waiting to happen. And everything that's on this diagonal, up and away, middle, middle, and down and in, all have the same reactionary time. So if the hitter gets set for this and Harvey lives on this outside part of the plate, anything on this side is going to be losing speed. Anything on this side is gaining speed. So if he lives in an area where he's at speed or losing speed, he's going to get swings that are kind of like this. Full extension, the meat or the barrel of the bat is right there where the ball is going to live. His brain is stuck on that speed, and so that's an accident waiting to happen all day. If the reverse of that happens, if he starts to throw the ball on the plus side, you're going to see swings more like this. Bent arm, bent wrist, and the wrist is bent because he's dragging his hands in towards his chest. In other words, he's caving in on his mechanics. He's lessening his extension in order to cheat to get the fat part of the bat closer to where the ball is actually at. Now notice that the head is down. He's all over this from that perspective, but he still swings and misses. Again, that the head down is very overrated. It's a negative way more than it is a positive. But the point of today is if Matt Harvey lives on the outside part of the plate, and this is again just barely a plus fastball. It's almost down and in. Down and in, middle middle, up and away, all are the same speed. This is a tiny plus. It's gained a mile an hour or two, and he still has that kind of reaction. If you're going to see Matt Harvey have success, it's going to be because he's going to throw fastballs in this plus area and a little bit of movement there, and then a little bit of movement on this outside part of the plate with sliders, plus fastball, slider, changeup in off the plate. If you see a steady diet of that, you'll see Matt Harvey have some success. But what we're more likely to see, if we look at this slider, obviously this ball is not where he wants it, but the speed of it is what's crucial. And the fact that guys are so comfortable that it's such a natural, easy thing to get to the speed of that pitch. That's 90 miles an hour of effective velocity, because that's a small plus for a changeup at 88 miles an hour or a slider at 88 miles an hour. So when you look at fastball, 93, middle away, it's 90. When you look at this slider that's 88, middle in, it's 90. So when you throw 90-90, you got no margin for error. Everything has to be perfect. That's what Matt Harvey is up against right now. So the second he goes back to a concept where he's in plus fastballs, are really in the plus fastball area, and he's creating a tunnel that looks like this, then that changeup that's working off of that, that's off the plate, will look just like the fastball, and he'll get a lot of pull fouls. If he throws the slider, he'll get swings and misses. So he can pound the strike zone with plus fastballs and sliders and be in the same conversation as everybody else again. And so the dark night again becomes a little more dark. Right now he's very much in the light. Everybody can see what he's doing. He's exposed. But if he gets this, hands drawn in, that's the kind of thing that you get on plus fastballs, even these little plus fastballs. But the big plus fastballs, they have no shot. If you're still throwing 96, it's not about fatigue. It's all about location and effective velocity. It's about how you use that speed and not the fact that you have 96 still. 96 is 96. The hitter doesn't go, "Oh, well, he's tired today, so that 96 I can catch up to." No. I can catch up to the 96 that's on that side. I can catch up to the 96 that's in the middle, that's up and away. I can catch up to those 96s. They're not catching up to that 96. Not when the slider and the fastball's in the same tunnel.